Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus manual data handling. We'll explore how Microsoft Excel provides powerful features for managing and analyzing information, contrasting it with traditional, non-software-based approaches. This comparison will highlight the strengths and weaknesses of each method, helping you understand when to use which for optimal results. When it comes to organizing data, Excel excels with its structured grid of cells, rows, and columns, ensuring consistency. Manual methods, however, can lead to varied formats and disorganization, especially with increasing data volume. Excel can efficiently handle large datasets, potentially containing over 1 million rows, making it ideal for extensive record keeping. For data analysis, Excel offers a vast array of formulas, functions, and pivot tables, enabling complex calculations and insights. Manual analysis, in contrast, is often slow, labor-intensive, and susceptible to errors. Excel also allows for automation of repetitive tasks through macros, saving significant time and reducing the chance of mistakes in routine operations. Collaboration is a key advantage for Excel, with cloud versions allowing multiple users to edit files simultaneously and track changes. Manual data sharing, however, often involves physical documents or emailing files, leading to version control issues and delays. Remember to check the description for a link to Owala water bottles and other great deals. Excel's broad compatibility ensures accessibility across many devices, from desktops to mobile phones, enhancing flexibility for users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.